Hello, all of you. Here we begin with the third class for transfer pricing. Okay, this is the class wherein we will work out problems with all the other methods. And as I have been saying, the weightage of transfer pricing in itself in 30 marks of international taxation is 12 marks. 5 and 5 marks problems they'll be asking. We have already finished all the problems of cup method and some of RSP method, and one problem they will give either cost plus or RSP or TNMM, which we are going to do today. Problems are really easy. You need to have the format in your mind. So every method I'm giving you the concept, okay? And this will need more classes, so we are taking class tomorrow also. Okay, non-resident in the meanwhile already done, and revision video is uploaded in the YouTube, so watch the non-resident revision video. Make sure you're writing that exam also. Okay, right. So as we know, once it will take 5 minutes, but let me recollect what topic we are studying. This name of the topic is transfer pricing. Ma'am, why we are studying this topic? Then the simple logic is, when 92A says, 92A for associate enterprise, when there are associate enterprise who are closely connected to each other, in layman's term, I call them sister concerns. So these associate enterprise, how they become associate enterprise, that's what is the first class in detail with each and every example. And in exam, they're asking MCQs also for this, that what is an associate enterprise? Either more than 50% of board of directors I am appointing, or holding more than 26% share, or major of my purchases is done from you, my sales you are influencing, or your company and my company together we are controlling a third company. Like this, different criterias are there. So 92A says there is associate enterprise. 92B says there is an international transaction. One is resident, another is non-resident, and there is an international transaction. And this 92B says international transaction need not be only purchase sale. I can take loan from NRI. I can give royalty, incomes, interest. Any kind of transaction is there between associate enterprise. It's an international transaction. 92C says these transactions should be at arm's length. आर्म्स लेंथ मीन्स व्हेन वी से एसोसिएट एंटरप्राइज ना, सिस्टर के साथ एक अलग इमोशन होता है. तो हाँ, हमारी फर्म है, वी मे बाय एट अ हायर रेट, वी मे सेल एट अ लोअर रेट. सो द income tax act is saying these transactions should be unbiased at arm's length, and according to that only you show your income and pay the tax. So generally I sell to others at 80, but our enterprise in UK is my sister concern. I'm selling them at 60. So government is saying no. If your uncontrolled, unbiased price is 80, to your sister concern also you charge 80. You have charged 60. So 20 rupees. What do you do? I mean, say 20 rupees per unit, you show additional income. Now here, one thing lopsided, like by-hearted, digested for all of you is ट्रांसफर प्राइसिंग ना पूरा डिपार्टमेंट के साइड है. कैसे? इफ in transfer pricing it so happens that I'm selling to others in 80 and to my sister concern in 100, can I say to department, अरे ज्यादा में बेच दिया, कम करो, सेल कम करो, प्रॉफिट कम करो, टैक्स घर जाओ? Are you all getting? So transfer pricing is applicable only in those transactions where, because of the transaction with associate enterprise, I have undershown my income or overshown my expenses. And after bringing it at arm's length, income should increase. Then only transfer pricing is applicable. But ma'am, then yesterday we did problem with reverse way also. Yes, solve it and so show it. Okay, because of this arm's length and actual price difference, the income will reduce, hence transfer pricing is not applicable. So it's not कि transfer pricing not applicable तो आप problem ही नहीं करोगे. Problem तो आएंगे, आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. Whatever I'm saying orally like this without opening the notes. Is this clear? This is mind mapping. Sometimes you listen to the revision videos, sometimes you decide a topic and 2-3 of you gel along online, offline, मिलके discuss करो. चलो आज पूरे प्रोविजंस डीटीए के पढ़ेंगे और डिस्कस करेंगे. Sometimes just pick up any model papers and in that what is the question of DTA, solve it, give yourself 10 minutes test. So in different ways, only thing as a teacher, years I have been teaching direct taxation and students have scored exemption. And the major blockage in the mind of the students is, ma'am, it is vast. Agreed, it is vast, but smart way. What is I say, no, R for reading, हाँ ये है syllabus में छोड़ दो. जो important है, repetition is the key. Every student in the class promising you will repeat and repeat and repeat. As a teacher, why I am repeating so much? 2 दिन से यही पढ़ रहे हैं, आज भी यही पढ़ रहे हैं, मैम आगे पढ़ाइए. Sometimes we understand, sometimes we get more clarity. बार बार सुनने से, we don't know that Sri Lankan song, no, but then we listen to the music, we say the words Malihari, this, that. How do we learn the lyrics of the songs which are actually so tough? Sometimes by repeated listening, that music is going on. That same applies. So if you are passionate to score super well in the upcoming exam, clear it, take your degree and bye-bye, then make sure you repeat the things. Is this helpful to you? Huh? Sure? तो यहाँ तक हमने कर लिया है. Now to decide arm's length, 2 methods are over. One is cup method. What is the full form of cup method? Comparable uncontrolled price. When I am buying and selling from you at this price, you should be selling to others also in India. If you are selling to me, you should be selling to others also in India. So if comparable uncontrolled price is available, take that price because that is unbiased. But to me, you have given FOB, free on board, उनको CIF insurance सब लगाया है, मुझे वारंटी है, उनको नहीं है, मुझे क्रेडिट पीरियड है. So adjust the functional difference and get the price. Okay, now in some cases what happens that I am the sole buyer, okay, from my foreign associate enterprise. अब देखो कोई है ही नहीं और buyer, so there is no uncontrolled, I mean say comparable uncontrolled market price is not there. I am buying from you, I am adding my expenses and I am reselling. Can we take resale selling price? The one to whom I am reselling in India, they are not related to me. So resale price minus my profit will give my total cost minus all the cost which I have incurred after bringing it from you. This should have been the arm's length. And if you have paid more or less, adjust it. Do give me a feedback you are comfortable like this or by sharing the screen. Provided you have attended the classes, then you'll be surely very clear of. Huh? So this is all about until now what we have done. Some introduction में हमने कुछ advantages और वो सब भी किया है. See, there should be an international transaction. Okay, and it could be for purchase, sale, lease, service, lending, borrowing, कुछ भी जो भी है. Okay, such international transaction should be at arm's length price. And the above adjustment should either result, this point is highlight, market, very important for MCQs. Either income should increase or losses or expenses should decrease. Otherwise, don't apply it, right? These are all definitions of associate enterprise, which we have already done. I'm just doing revision for all of you, dear students. If you have any doubt, then I have done this groupism. पूरे जो 13 आपके एसोसिएट एंटरप्राइज है उनको एक एक ग्रुप में डाल दिया है हमने, राइट? एंड देयर शुड बी इंटरनेशनल ट्रांजैक्शंस बिटवीन द टू कंट्रीज. This inclusion and exclusion, write down R for reading, just know they are there and okay. Cost plus method पूरा खत्म हो गया है, हमने कर लिए पूरे, बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किए थे लास्ट टाइम. So today directly I am doing with the RSP method. Yes. Cost plus nahi kiya, sorry. RSP we have done. When the RSPs, we will go generally when the comparable price is not available. Anyone is having any doubt until now, please unmute and ask or put it in the chat box. Clear है सबको यहाँ तक? I think most of you were there, no, in the class where we have done the cup method and all. Eighth problem is important, those who have missed the last class. And then we started with the resale price method. Applicable in case of existing manufacturer-distributor agreement. This method uses transactions between closely compared third parties. It is easy to apply as the gross margins are calculated for a party having relatively routine and uncomplicated activities. It is less reliable in case where differences RSP में difference बहुत ज़्यादा है, and we have already done some problem related to this. Ninth one is over. 10th I gave as homework. Have you done 10th one? What is the increase in the income? 9th तक complete हो गया है. 10th I have to check. If you have done, share the answer. If not, then we'll have to do it. बोलो. लिखो जो लिखना है chat में. Done? Then share your answer. US Limited, and I told you that there will be some 2-3 parties involved in international transaction. So if you feel ma'am काफी confusion हो रहा था, तो आप एक काम कर सकते हैं. You can make a very rough diagram. When you read the question, it will just take 2 seconds, 2 minutes, and then continue with the problem. US Limited has a subsidiary, India Limited in India. US is selling computer monitors to India. US Limited they sell to US Limited is also selling to CMA Limited, another reseller. Are you getting? US company selling monitors to us. They are also selling to another at 11,000. Price fixed for CIM is 10,000. But to us, they are selling in 11,000. So we are buying at inflated price. They are selling, we are buying at 11,000. But they are selling to other enterprise at 10,000. The warranty in case of sale of monitors by India is handled by India Limited. However, for sale of monitors by CAM, US is responsible. तो उनको वारंटी नहीं लगाया है. हमारे लिए जो प्राइस है उसमें वारंटी also they have included. So definitely if they sell with warranty, they would include the warranty. To others, they have not charged the warranty. Clear? Right? Both US Limited and India offered extended warranty at 1,000 per annum. 1,000 तो क्या है आपका per annum है. तो आपका how many months warranty they are giving? That many months only we should take no warranty. Right? One second. On these facts, how the assessment of Indian Limited is going to be affected. So IND Limited India, they are purchasing 50,000 monitors at 11,000. But to others, they are selling in 10,000 and they are extending warranty also. Warranty in case of Indies is handled by India Limited. Our warranty we are only handling. However, sale for the monitors by CIM Limited, US is responsible. So in this 10,000 price, US has added warranty also. हमारे में warranty नहीं है. Okay. So then while comparing our price with the arm's length price of others, this is now actually cup method. इनका इसमें RSP नहीं है कि आप reverse profit में जा रहे हैं. That problem 9th what we have done yesterday. Okay. Right. And to them they have included warranty for the CIM 3 months. Okay. Right. Chalo, let us see our notebooks also, what we have done yesterday. One minute. All right, this is what we have done yesterday. 8th problem, as I said, is very important, dear students. And then we have done some problems with the RSP method also. ये देखो. Method 2. Are you all with me? I'm doing revision for all of you. Purchase price, add expenses, total cost, profit, and RSP. And I have explained you that if the profit is on sales, take sales as 100, profit is on cost. Ma'am, इतना silly भी आप सिखाते हैं तो सिखा देते हैं, no problem. And with this, we have completed problem number 9th. And now we are starting with problem number 10th. Problem number 10th. Clear to all of you how to start the problem? Anywhere you feel, ma'am, reading the problem के बाद भी confusion है, let me know. We will draw the diagram, and if you are clear, I'm not drawing. US Limited is selling to me, and we are associate enterprise. US Limited is also selling to others, but to others they have included, for CMI others, they have included 3 months warranty also, right? So we are doing the computation of arm's length price for IND Limited. हमारे लिए पहले तो arm's length price क्या है, that we will come to it. Okay, right. So for that, let us start with the unbiased price, final price, sale price to CIM Limited. Others को आप कितने में सेल कर रहे हैं? 10,000 per unit. Are you comfortable writing with me? Any step, any doubt, ask me. Now, adjustment for warranty. Adjustment for warranty. इनको आप वारंटी के साथ दे रहे हो. 1,000 per annum is the warranty, and there is warranty for 3 months. So that will come to 250 rupees. Yes, 3 by 12 is 4 and so on. Right. So what is the arm's length price? $9,750. Okay. Now, what is the price charged to our company? Our company's name is IND Limited, India Limited, 11,000. So, you know, we have purchased at 11,000. Whereas with the same terms and conditions, there are others who are purchasing from the foreign country 9,700. So have we overshown our purchases? Yes. Excess purchase price disallowed. Excess purchase price disallowed. 1,250. है ना? 1,250 per unit. And how many number of units are purchased? इतना नीट एंड क्लीन प्रॉब्लम होगा और आंसर होगा एग्जाम में कि 5 out of 5 यू विल गेट. कोई कंफ्यूजन ही नहीं है, एड लेस ये वो, नो. हाउ मेनी यूनिट्स वी हैव परचेज? मॉनिटर 50,000. इन दैट केस दिस विल गो इन करोड़. एडिशनल इनकम, आपको इनकम बढ़ाना पड़ेगा ना. एडिशनल इनकम ड्यू टू रिड्यूस्ड परचेजेस. परचेज को कम करो. We have shown more purchases, just reduce it. Hmm. 50,000 into 1250. Are you all doing calculations faster than me? 6 crores 25 lakhs. And they didn't give their students what is the income of IND Limited. Some problems, if they are giving income, then we have to add this and write income will increase. Easy, right? So this is like this RSP method. Okay, chalo, next 11th problem. Finished writing all of you? Every now and then I will not ask. If you have a doubt and if you feel you are confused anywhere, pause and ask me. 9th ho gaya, 10th ho gaya. Now 11th one is to like orally we can do that easy. A Limited is Indian company which is 100% subsidiary of B company. So there are associate enterprises. Now B Limited sells its product to A Limited at 15 per unit. They are selling to us at 15. At the same time, it is selling to unrelated party at 20. B Limited is selling to A Limited at 15. At the same time, they are selling to others at 20. How will the arm's length price be determined in this transaction? Now, when unrelated party ka comparable price is given, which method you will use for ALP? I want the answer from all of you. अभी तक आपने दो मेथड्स पढ़े हैं, कप और RSP. Fast, little fast. Which method? Yes. Which method we can use? Comparable uncontrolled price is given, then cup method. Right. Okay. And to others we are charging, I mean say B Limited is selling. So others are buying at 20. We are buying at 15. So it's right that cup method is applicable. But here we will not apply because it is like resale selling price is, your price is 15 ही ठीक है ना. आप 15 में बाय कर रहे हो, others are buying at 20. If you also buy at 20, your expenses will increase, your profit will come down, and that is not allowed. Clear? So they are asking what will be the arm's length price. Arm's length price is 20 only, but we will not decrease the income. In the above example, if A Limited is the sole selling agent of the B Limited, मतलब हम A Limited जो है हम B Limited हमारी holding company से खरीद के वापस sell कर रहे हैं, and Re Limited resold it at 20. How will the arm's length price be? If it is like that, then use the resale price and let the resale price be what? 20. Okay. So 11th problem, nothing, but still let us write it in notebook. अच्छा है, simple है, लेकिन अच्छा है कि कौन सा method कब use करोगे आप. Just check all the 1 to 10 problems at home so that you know when you learn more and more methods, तो पहले के method में भी clarity तो आनी चाहिए ना. 11th problem. First bit. If, write down, I am dictating. If comparable, uncontrolled price is available, they are selling to me, fine, and they are selling to others also, is available. If comparable uncontrolled price is available, then cup method is used and arm's length price will be $20 per unit. Okay. Now, second part. A Limited, Indian company, if it is buying from holding foreign company, holding company कौन है foreign company? B Limited, then A Limited and B Limited are associate enterprise. A Limited is Indian company. If it is buying from holding foreign company B Limited, then A Limited and B Limited are associate enterprise. Now here they said if A Limited is sole buyer and they are reselling, then arm's length price is resale price method आप use करोगे and that is $20 per unit. Maybe you are buying and then you are reselling. Are you getting? They are asking you two options. So please answer that for both these options, what is the price you will charge? Easy or not? In fact, I feel more than non-resident MAT and all, ये problem सबसे easy है transfer pricing के. And very scoring. When I will teach tomorrow secondary adjustment and IPTA related problem, you say, ma'am, same problems are repeated again and again. Okay. Next one we are doing now. Okay, this is a problem by mistake. I have given the numbering here, so I will do, but this is TNMM method. वो जब हम करेंगे ना तब करेंगे. Right now, just write down TNMM method and it's written also. कहीं लिखा भी है ये रहा. तो TNMM method है. अभी तक हमने पढ़ा ही नहीं, वो method हम करेंगे. Which methods we have completed until now? Cup method and RSP method. Right now, the next method I'm taking up, this all base is like your costing. And I think you have transfer pricing in other subject also, na? SFM, SPM, मतलब कहीं तो होगा आपको. If you can put in the chat box, you can link up. हाँ, कभी कभी आप भी मुझे पढ़ाना, मैं तो link करती हूँ. Have you seen 1 minute one video I have posted where I have linked up buyback of shares, accounts, law and tax all? Yeah, you have it in SCM, no? So there also you must be doing methods and all. Okay? Chalo. Next is cost plus method. Determine the direct and indirect cost of production incurred by enterprise in respect of property transferred or services provided to associate enterprise. Associate enterprise ko jo hum international transaction we are doing, in that what is my cost? Determine the normal GP markup to such cost under the same accounting norms arising from transfer or provisions. Now adjust the normal GP markup referred into to take into account functional differences. What is functional difference to me? CIF की carriage insurance freight भी मिला के करोगे, उनको free on board है, warranty, जो भी differences हैं, right? And then you will get the arm's length, that is step 1 plus step 3. GP में समझ में आ रहा है? देखो, cause I will write and show this. Of course, we'll work out the problems also, but just simply to show you what is the third method. Write down, you also write down. What is the name of the third method? Cost plus method. Okay, right. Suppose that whatever I am manufacturing, A Limited, इसके प्रॉब्लम्स जो हम करेंगे ना अभी, दे आर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, बट जस्ट द कॉन्सेप्ट आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग. ए लिमिटेड इज से मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, तो उनका जो भी डायरेक्ट कॉस्ट प्लस इनडायरेक्ट कॉस्ट, यू नो व्हाट इज डायरेक्ट कॉस्ट, इनडायरेक्ट कॉस्ट, मटेरियल, लेबर एक्सपेंसेस एंड ऑल, तो दैट इज से 80 rupees. Okay, and their markup or the loading or the profit is 20% on sales. तो सेल्स क्या कर देंगे हम 100 और 20 प्रॉफिट और 80 कॉस्ट है. ठीक है. So this is the general format, that whatever is my manufacturing cost on that 25% or whatever is my sales on that 20% on the sales is my profit. Now my actual manufacturing cost is 16 lakhs. The goods which I am supplying, goods supplied to A associate enterprise, उनका कॉस्ट कितना है 16 lakhs. तो 16 lakhs में प्रॉफिट कितना ऐड होना चाहिए था 16 into 20 by 80. Are you all with me? 16 into 20 by 80, that is 4. So we should have charged 20 lakhs is the arm's length price. And we should have charged 20 lakhs as the arm's length sale value. But we have charged only 17 lakhs. So how much is the undersold actual selling price? So what is the under sales? 3 lakh. So total income will increase by 3 lakh. Take your time, understand the logic. Don't go ऐसे कैलकुलेशन में घुसना नहीं है, एक 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 करके हम कर रहे हैं, बट आप अच्छे से पहले समझो. And ask your doubts. Are you comfortable doing it like this? Once you finish writing, write down done, so that anyone who has missed cup method, okay, no problem, but it is very important. Of course, you'll have to do. But without that also, don't keep in your mind that you will not follow anything in today's class. You will follow everything, provided you pay attention. Because इसे आप costing और अब तो आप बोल रहे हो SCM, अब मेरे तो SCM पढ़े हुए जमाना हो गया, देखना पड़ेगा what is it and how. But if you can link up, good, no? चलो. I know that if my manufacturing cost is 80, my profit is 20% on sales or 25% on cost, right? The way I have written, and I'm selling it in 100. Now I have supplied some goods to my associate enterprise, jiska cost tha 16 lakhs. And we know in 16 lakhs, 25% is the profit 4. So I should have sold in 20 lakhs to my associate enterprise. I sold in 17 lakhs. 3 lakhs मैंने क्या बताया है अंडर सेल्स बताया. तो अब क्या करो, टोटल इनकम को बढ़ा दो, राइट? चलो. So with this concept in our mind, let us work out problems for the third method. Third method के problems करते हैं. Oh, sorry, to go to the problem sheet. This is already past exam problem for 8 marks. Win Limited Swiss company holds 40% equity shares in Indian company Sister Technologies. So that means we are associate enterprise because there is holding of more than 26% shares. Now Sister Limited is engaged in developing of software maintenance for the customer across globe including Win Limited. So we are helping software related services to our foreign associate enterprise. During the year, STL has spent 2000 man hours for developing and maintaining software for Win Limited, and each man hour is billed at 1250. Okay. So how much is the actual, आपने उनको सॉफ्टवेयर कितने घंटे का काम किए हैं 2000, और कितना चार्ज लिया है आपने से STL India Limited, how much they have charged from others? 1250. So 2000 into 1250 this is what I have charged. So can I say this is my actual price? Aram se question pado. Now, what is the cost incurred? For STL, the cost incurred is 18 lakhs. And STL has also undertaken developing software for BAL industries. किसी और के लिए भी हम लोग software development का work कर रहे हैं. And there we have billed at 2,700 per man hour. Okay, 2,700 per man hour हमने बाल के लिए बिलिंग की है. And the person working for BAL and WIN are same. Still, STL has made a GP of 50% on the BAL. मतलब हम जो दूसरों को सप्लाई कर रहे हैं उसमें my profit is 50%. Whenever we say GP, gross profit, can we say this will be 50% on sales? Ma'am, they have not given 50% on cost or sales. Then if it is GP, GP is always gross profit by sales into 100. One of the exam they gave GP on cost. Then take it on cost. ठीक है? तो दूसरों को जो हमने सप्लाई की इन दैट 50% इज द प्रॉफिट. 50% is the profit on sale. I want all of you to write sale. Now, STL's transaction with WIN is comparable with BAL. BAL को और WIN को compare करना है. Okay, so this is frankly speaking not only just a problem of cost plus method, cost plus और कब दोनों का comparison है. अब हम functional differences adjust करेंगे. ये third वाला step. What is my cost? My cost is 18 lakhs. ये step आ गया. What is normal GP? 50% on sales. But 50% is uncomparable with others, with BAL industries. But यहाँ पे with the sister concern, we may be giving some plus minus ना, तो वो करेंगे हम plus minus, तो फिर correct margin आ जाएगी. Is the flow of problem clear? I've made you write. I've made you write the steps here. और अब हम इसको solve करते हैं. Now, WIN Limited gives technological support to the STL, which can be valued at 8% of the normal gross profit. BAL Industries does not provide any such support. तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि ऐसी सर्विस बाल को भी दे रहे हैं, लेकिन बाल इंडस्ट्रीज कोई सपोर्ट नहीं दे रहा है. बट जो हमारी फॉरेन कंपनी है विन लिमिटेड, वी आर गिविंग सॉफ्टवेयर सर्विस टू देम, but they are also supporting us, and their support is like 8% of the GP. So because you are supporting up to 8% of GP, my profit I will reduce, no? Are you all getting? हाँ, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, मेरा GP में से प्रॉफिट माइनस हो जाएगा. I am discussing, then I will do it also. Since the work of WIN Limited, जो हमारी होल्डिंग कंपनी है, involved huge number of man hours, a quantity discount of 14% is given on the GP to WIN Limited. बाल को तो वो नहीं मिला है ना, तो इनको भी निकाल दो. कंपेयर करना है ना बाल को और विन को. STL offered 90 days credit to WIN Limited, cost of which is measured at 2% of the normal billing. No such discount was offered to BAL. दूसरों को कोई डिस्काउंट नहीं है, बट हमारे सिस्टर कंसर्न को अगर हम क्रेडिट पीरियड दे रहे हैं तो सेलिंग प्राइस तो बढ़ जाएगा ना. देखो, whenever we give credit period, you are coming to my mobile store, I'm saying sir down payment लोगे दोगे तो this is 30,000. If you take an installment credit period, if I give you 3 months time, then 35,000. So my profit will increase. Compute the ALP and amount of increase in the total income of Sista Limited. पहले तो आप प्रॉब्लम वापस पढ़ो, कुछ भी डाउट है तो पूछो, अदरवाइज फिर से पढ़ो प्रॉब्लम. Read the problem again. WIN Limited, we are providing India से Sista Technologies, we are providing technological service to WIN. We are also providing to BAL. बट विन को जो दे रहे हैं ना, तो विन भी सपोर्ट कर रहा है, बाल नहीं कर रहा है. विन को हम क्रेडिट भी दे रहे हैं, उनको नहीं है. Like this, can we adjust the margin and then cost and other details? So we all know it. We can do one thing enough. I read the problem 2-3 times. Still, if you feel ma'am no confusion है, problem solve करके फिर से link करेंगे. ठीक है ना? No problem. चलो साथ में करते हैं. This is the third method called as cost plus method. Now this can start with the main answer or this can start with the working. Working से शुरू करेंगे. Computation of the arm's length price by which method? Cost plus method. Cost plus method. Chalo. Now, what is the normal GP? 50%. Normal GP or profit or markup or loading is 50%. For others, Bal Industries के लिए. Do you know one thing? This is the third method. ये RSP था. CMI को कितना दे रहे थे? ये कप मेथड का प्रॉब्लम है. तो दूसरों को कितना दे रहे हैं? So always start with the unrelated price. So 50% is my margin with Bal. Now put your left hand on the book and start reading one by one. Win Limited gives technological support to which can be valued at 8% of the normal. So functional differences we are adjusting. So you can write little in detail so that you follow also. Functional differences. Technical support. Technical support from Win Limited. जो Win Limited है ना, वहां से हमको टेक्निकल सपोर्ट मिल रहा है विच इज 50 का 8%. 8% ऑफ द जीपी. 5 8 सा तो 4 से आपका प्रॉफिट क्या हो जाएगा? कम हो जाएगा क्योंकि ये लोग तो सपोर्ट दे रहे हैं. सेकेंड, विन लिमिटेड इन्वॉल्व ह्यूज नंबर ऑफ मैनास, तो हमने क्वांटिटी डिस्काउंट भी दिया. डिस्काउंट टू विन लिमिटेड. तो विन लिमिटेड को डिस्काउंट दिया तो हमारा जीपी फिर कम हो जाएगा 14% से. 50 का 14% कितना? 7. और एक है थर्ड, STL has offered 90 days credit. Credit of 90 days to Win Limited. Win Limited हमारी associate enterprise है and we are telling them ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ा आराम से पैसे दे देना, absolutely no problem. So then that is going to cost of which is measured at 2% of normal billing. Okay, 2%. तो 50 का 2%. This will be added, not deducted. 1. Because when you give credit period, you increase the selling price. So add. When I am getting the support from them, when I am giving discount to them, my profit margin is decreasing. So now, what is the arm's length GP? 40%. Anyone is having any doubt, you may be doing it for the first time, and this is not a crash course or fast track. I'm teaching it for you. But today, what happened? No one is doing calculations, huh? कुसुम प्रिया, आर यू देयर? आमिर, सब लोग कैलकुलेशन करके मेरे से पहले चैट में डालते जाओ फटाफट. हेल्प मी इन कैलकुलेशन. सब लोग करो. आर्म्स लेंथ जीपी, हाउ मच इट इज? 40% is my normal GP. Now, chalo. Computation. Have they given income of India वाला company, Sista Limited? No. नहीं तो हम उसके income में कितना add करना है वो कर देते. Computation of increase in total income of Sista Technologies Limited, जो इंडिया की कंपनी है, उसकी इनकम बढ़ाएंगे. कैसे? Let us see. Okay. Now, what is the cost? This is called as cost plus method. Cost of service to Win Limited. This what I am reading now is given in the second para. Don't copy from screen, dear students. Second para में जाके देखो. Winco, cost incurred by STL for executing Win Limited amounted to 18 lakhs. Okay. And now how much is the profit? ठीक है, अगर मैंने विन को जो सर्विस दिया है टेक्नोलॉजिकल सपोर्ट का या जो भी, द कॉस्ट ऑफ इट इफ इट इज 18 lakhs, then add standard profit to that. Profit is 40% on the sales. Arm's length service charge. There is no sale, so arm's length service value 100 है, तो 100 में 40 GP है, cost 60 है. Are you all with me? 40% is the ideal GP which I should have charged. Ma'am, but from बाल तो you have charged 50. बाल और विन में फर्क है. बाल को 50 प्रॉफिट चार्ज किया है क्योंकि बाल को कोई डिस्काउंट नहीं है, बाल को कोई सपोर्ट नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. यहाँ भी there are 3 functional differences. So if I adjust from my Win Limited, I should have charged on 18 lakhs 40% margin on GP. So 860. Now can you do? In 100, 60 is the cost. In 18 lakhs, how much is the cost? So 18 lakhs into 100 by 60. 18 lakhs into 100 by 60. कितना आ रहा है? 30 lakhs we should have charged. But how much we have actually billed is given third para. Actual billing आपने कितनी की है? Actual billing 2000 man hours, and we have done the billing at 1250. 2000 into 1250. How much billing we have done? 25 lakhs. Have we undercharged? Whatever service we have given, if cost is 18 lakhs and standard profit 40% के हिसाब से, if we are giving you technological support, we should have charged 30 lakhs. But we are charging 25 lakhs. Are we undercharging? Yes, 5 lakhs. So, increase in total income. Increase in total income, 5 lakh. Done. थोड़ा सा different problem है, दो very easy. Take 2 minutes time. understand it, and if you have any doubt, ask me, पूछो. And if not, I want a message from all of you. Is it clear or not? To others, I have charged 50% margin. Then here also in 18 lakhs, 9 lakhs, I should have done. But to others, terms and conditions are different. Here it is different. Nice, clear? Chalo, some more problem we should do. Whatever are. Acha, now what is the 3-step, dear students? Can we read? Thank you. Thank you for the response that it is clear. Let us read. Is it clear or not? Look at the step of the costless method. Determine the direct indirect cost which was given in the problem 18 lakhs. और अगर अलग अलग दिया है तो कॉस्ट शीट बनाना तो सबको आता है. Now determine the GP. So GP is 50%. Now adjust the GP. Others के लिए GP 50 है, यहाँ 40 क्योंकि we have given you quantity discount, and then calculate arm's length price like that. Chalo, some more problems are there, same, exactly same concept. More problems are there, so we will do it now. The next one. Mind Valley UK Limited has 35% equity shares in Success Limited. Okay. The company Success Limited is engaged in development of software and maintenance of customers across the globe, and which includes Mind Valley. During the year 20 to 23 crore, Success Limited, same concept, exactly same. Success Limited spent 2000 man hours for developing and maintaining a software for Mind Valley. जो हमारी एसोसिएट एंटरप्राइज है उनको हमने बिलिंग कितने में किया है, 2000 मैन आवर्स 1000. दिस द एक्चुअल बिलिंग. बट हमारा जो कॉस्ट इनकर्ड है वो 15 lakhs है, एग्जैक्टली सेम, लाइक देयर इट वाज 18 lakh. Similar such work was done for others. So what is my arm's length profit margin? 50%, right? Okay. Now, Mind Valley gives technical support which can be measured at 8% of GP. Success Limited gives credit of 90 days. So compute the arm's length price and the impact of same on the total income. Okay. 14th problem now I am doing and you are copying. No, साथ में करेंगे. Let us do it together. आप भी करो, हम भी करेंगे. And I'm expecting some support from all of you for faster calculations. Same. Cost plus method. Mind Valley UK, they have 30% shares in Success Limited India. So it is associate enterprise. ये तो proof हो गया. अब computation of GP. पहले तो GP करते हैं ना, आर्म्स लेंथ प्राइस वाला GP, जो हम दूसरों को कितना चार्ज कर रहे हैं. तो we can start. We are giving similar service to Try Limited, in which the profit is 50%. Similar GP for, वहां से शुरू करेंगे. Similar GP or normal GP. Similar GP for अदर्स कितना है 50%. अब इसमें क्या क्या एडजस्टमेंट है? माइंड वैली इज गिविंग सपोर्ट फॉर विच 8% जीपी. सो लेस कर दो. सपोर्ट बाय माइंड वैली. हमारी जो होल्डिंग कंपनी है ना, वो हमको सपोर्ट दे रही है. कितना सपोर्ट दे रही है? 3%. ओ सॉरी, 8% ऑफ द जीपी. 50 का 8%, तो 4. Now, सक्सेस लिमिटेड, वी आर गिविंग देम क्रेडिट. तो हम सेलिंग प्राइस को बना देंगे क्रेडिट पीरियड टू माइंड वैली. हम सिर्फ इनको ही क्रेडिट पीरियड दे रहे हैं. वी आर गिविंग देम क्रेडिट पीरियड. कितना क्रेडिट पीरियड हम दे रहे हैं इनको? 3% ऑफ द नॉर्मल बिलिंग रेट. फिफ्टी का 3%. $1.5 ये ऐड होगा. Clear? 90 days credit we are giving. So what is the arm's length price GP for associate enterprise? 50 plus 4 minus 1.5. That is sorry, why plus? 50 minus 4 because they are helping us, plus 1.5. 47.5%. अब देखो, next now computation of increase in total income. कैसे? देखो, what is the cost of services given to माइंड वैली. माइंड वैली को जो आप सर्विसेज दे रहे हैं ना, उसका कॉस्ट कितना है? द कॉस्ट ऑफ एग्जीक्यूटिंग द सर्विस टू माइंड वैली. कैन एनीवन सर्च एंड से? मुझे तो मिल गया, सेकेंड पैरा में है. हाँ, वी आर गिविंग देम, यस, 15 lakhs is the cost. And now we know GP add होगा, तो फिर arm's length सर्विस वैल्यू मिलेगा. तो GP always take the service value या sales as 100. So idle GP is 47.5. So cost कितना होगा? 52.5. Now 52 point is 15 lakhs. So 100 is how much? 15 lakhs into 100 divide by 100 minus GP भी कर सकते हैं. मैम हमने कुछ बुक्स में ऐसे देखा था, वही है ना, 100 minus GP is 52.5. 15 lakhs into 100 divide by 52.5. कितना आ रहा है? 28 lakhs 57,143. See, if I am giving service to you 15 lakhs and my margin is fixed 47.5% on sales, I should have charged 28 lakhs. But how much we are charging from them? Billing कितने का हुआ है देखो. एक्चुअल बिलिंग, एक्चुअल बिलिंग हुआ कितने का है देखो, एक्चुअल बिलिंग इज 2000 men hour to Mind Valley in 2000 per hour and 2000 hours. So actual billing कितना हुआ है 20 lakhs का. We have given services worth 28 lakhs, but we have billed 20 lakhs. So now increase in total income. Increase in total income 857 142. मैम दिस प्रॉब्लम वाज एग्जैक्टली सेम. तो हाँ है, सेम ही है. क्या करना है आपको कॉस्ट प्लस में? कैलकुलेट द कॉस्ट विच इज गिवन. प्रॉफिट मार्जिन आइडल ले लो फॉर अदर्स एंड दिस, जो भी फंक्शनल डिफरेंस है. जो अदर्स को प्रॉफिट किया वो सेम प्रॉफिट यहाँ नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज सम credit or some terms or some things will be different. Then according to that we should have charged 28 lakhs, but we charged 20 lakhs. Have we undershown our income? Yes. Chalo, one more last one and then this method is over. APCO of Chennai and Sky of Singapore are associate enterprise. APCO imported 1000 TVs at 16,000 per set without any warranty. APCO also imported similar set from unrelated party Japan से, that they imported at 15,000. दूसरों से 15,000 में import किए, यहाँ 16,000 में किए with a warranty time of 2 years. और वो तो 15,000 में और warranty भी है. Okay. The cost of warranty in respect of the Sky for a period of 2 years would cost 2,000. Okay. 15,000 is price with others, but same price if we put here, we need to deduct the warranty charges. They have given ना, अगर warranty charges हम देखें तो कितना आ रहा है 2,000 per set. तो compute the arm's length price and the amount of increase in the total income. दोनों करेंगे. एक ही टेबल में कर सकते हैं या अलग बनाओ, या repeated same kind of problems are there. First of all, APCO Limited, APCO Limited, Chennai, and Sky Incorporation, Singapore, are associate enterprise. Okay, so we are importing TV sets without any warranty. Are you reading? But others are importing 15,000. Chalo, so now computation of ALP and increase in total income. ओके, चलो दोनों एक ही टेबल में बना रहे हैं, अलग अलग टेबल भी बना सकते हैं. So if others are importing, at what price? Arm's length import price for others. Others are importing at 15,000 per set with warranty. And when we are importing without warranty. तो इसमें वारंटी चार्जेस जो मिले हैं वो ऑल निकाल दो. Warranty charges are 2000. We are importing from others at 15,000 in which warranty charges are there. So what is arm's length price from our sister concern? From Sky Inc. on similar line, 13,000. What is actual purchase price? आपने एक्चुअल में कितने में खरीदा? 16,000 पर सेट. तो आपने ज्यादा खरीदा ना. Increased purchases 3,000 per set. And how many sets are there? 1,000. Increased purchases. यहाँ लिख दो पहले. Increased purchases 3,000 per set. Number of sets. कितने ऐसे सेट्स हमने खरीदे 1,000 एक्स्ट्रा दे दे के? 1,000. First line, 1,000 TV sets. Increase in total income. $30 lakhs. हो गया. देखो I'm importing from others at 15,000 with warranty, but from my sister concern or associate enterprise without warranty. So उनसे भी अगर मैं without warranty लूँ तो I will be purchasing in 13. But sister concern से मैंने purchase किया है 16. So I have inflated my purchase by 3,000. Change it, decrease the total income, and done. Easy, clear to all of you. So right until now, we have completed 3 methods. One is cup method, wherein the free on board and warranty and discount and other adjustments you have to do, but in the selling price. Same concept is there in cost plus method, but here we are doing plus minus in the margins, and standard margin we are applying in our cost. Standard margin, and we should have charged this. RSP method is I am buying from my associate foreign enterprise and I'm selling to others at a profit. That profit I will minus, my additional cost I will minus, and this should have been the arm's length price, right? Now, the most easiest method out of all, that is profit split method. This method is followed when 2-3 associate enterprise are coming together and working for a project. For example, right now, COVID vaccine was developed. So in that, so many companies may have done a joint venture and together they are doing that project. So like this, they enter into a contract, chalo, 3 of us will fulfill this target, and whatever profit they will give, that all the associate enterprise will share it. The name of the method itself is profit split method. So then 3 associate enterprise are there. They have entered into a transaction with any fourth party and they have earned 1 lakh profit. Now, how do you split the profit between all the associate enterprise? based on some point system. You know what is that point system? How much each one have contributed in hours, in work, in decision making, in actually working. तो जिसने जितना काम किया है उस हिसाब से they will get the profit. So ma'am, how to decide? You don't have to decide. It's very easy. They'll give you total profit. They'll give you what is the profit percentage of each company, and according to that we know every associate enterprise का cost. Every associate enterprise knows मेरा इतना खर्चा हुआ है, मेरा इतना, जिसका जितना expenditure हुआ है, take the profit, add it, and this is the price which you should have charged. If you feel last 5 minutes you have not followed anything, don't bother. मैम क्या पढ़ा रहे आज, तो ये ऐसे ही है. Like I try to explain the concept. If it is not clear, let's go the reverse way. What is the reverse way? Cost plus method is clear or not? Everyone has not put the message. If I explain it as a concept and steps and all may not be clear, but now when you have worked out the problem logically, it is clear or not? I have given some this, what do you say, services to my associate enterprise. So my cost is this, my standard profit is this, so this is the price I should have charged. If I have charged less, my income is to be increased. प्रॉब्लम करने के बाद रिवर्स कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर और यू नीड सम हेल्प, पुट मी अ मैसेज. चलो, determine the combined net profit of the associate enterprise. Now specify domestic transactions in which they are engaged. Determine the relative contribution made by each associate enterprise. This is determined on the basis of functions performed, assets employed, risk taken, किसने कितना काम किया, right? So that will be done, and for this they will give. Now split the combined, this step is important. Split the combined net profit on the basis of reasonable return and in proportion to their reasonable contribution as determined in the step 2. Arm's length price is the profit apportioned to the SSE under step 3 plus the cost incurred during the transaction. पहले तो प्रॉफिट को स्प्लिट कर लो ये स्टैंडर्ड बेसिस से, और वो स्प्लिट प्रॉफिट में अपना कॉस्ट ऐड कर दो, हो गया, राइट? फर्स्ट स्प्लिट, allocate an amount to each enterprise to provide it with a basis appropriate for type of transaction. Second split, contribution ratio, allocate residual net profit among other enterprise in proportion to the contribution. हाँ, तो contribution के हिसाब से वो आपको एग्जाम में देंगे. This method is used mainly where international transactions involving transfer of tangibles and all, which are so interrelated that they cannot be evaluated separately for the purpose of determining the arm's length price. Both parties to transactions are evaluated and determination of transfer pricing will be as per arm's length. This method can be used when there are no close comparable transactions. And both parties are evaluated and determined. मतलब ये कप मेथड में वी नीड कंपेरेबल सेलिंग प्राइस, मैं तो इतने में बेच रही हूँ, बाकियों को कितने में. देन कॉस्ट प्लस मेथड वी नीड व्हाट इज द मार्जिन चार्ज टू अदर्स. यहाँ पे अदर्स वाली कोई बात ही नहीं है, ठीक है? सो relevance to external market, you know, data and all should be reliable, ki on what basis you are splitting the profit. Let us quickly do. Two problems are there. One is from your book and another is exactly same problem in the past exam. तो वही करते हैं. अच्छा सिंपल प्रॉब्लम है और 5 मिनट में हो जाएगा. देखो, easiest of all the method is profit split method. If you see in exam, don't leave it. ABR Medical Equipment of Canada has received an order from leading UK-based hospital for development of some medical equipment, which will integrate the best of software and all. The order was for 250,000 euros. To execute, ABR has joined hands with subsidiary Precision of USA and Bioinformatics of India. समझ में आ रहा है? ABR को ऑर्डर मिला है कोई और से. ABR के सब्सिडरी हैं, एक तो प्रिसीजन और एक इंडियन की कंपनी BIL लिमिटेड. सो PCI होल्ड्स 40% of the BIL. Okay, PCI is holding in the BIL, subsidiary, sub-subsidiary, like that. ABR paid to PCI and BIL in euros. ABR ने क्या किया, PCI और BIL को यूरोज में पैसे दे दिया and kept the balance for itself, बाकी खुद के लिए रख लिए. ठीक है. टोटल ऑर्डर कितने यूरोस का था, 2,50,000 यूरोस. उसमें से ABR को कितने मिले, 70,000. BIL को कितने मिले, 80,000. बाकी यूरोस क्या कर लिए, अपने लिए रख लिए. The entire transaction, a profit of 50,000 euro is earned. This is the total profit, TPI call it. BIL incurred a cost of 75,000 in execution of its work. हाँ, BIL का कॉस्ट कितना था, 75. लेकिन टोटल प्रॉफिट में BIL का भी तो प्रॉफिट है ना. टोटल प्रॉफिट ABR got is 50,000 euros, but it is going to split it. Now relative contribution of ABR, PCIL and BIL, हमारे लिए कौन important है, बायोइन्फॉर्मेटिक्स इंडिया लिमिटेड. तो हमारा शेयर कितना है, 40%. Compute the arm's length price and the incremental total income of BIL if any due to arm's length price. मतलब देखो कैसे इसको करेंगे. पहले तो read the data and tell me is it clear or not. And this is your first problem. Second I will do still faster than this. This is the first one ना, तो इसको थोड़ा डायग्राम भी बना लेते हैं. कौन सा मेथड चल रहा है, फोर्थ मेथड, प्रॉफिट स्प्लिट मेथड. write down the concept, profit split method. फॉरेन होल्डिंग कंपनी है F लिमिटेड. ठीक है. did project फॉरेन की होल्डिंग कंपनी F लिमिटेड, they did project with I of इंडिया लिमिटेड और एक एंड विथ C लिमिटेड, कनाडा का है. ये तीनों मिलके कोई प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, राइट. टोटल, नाउ वी नो द टोटल price they will get. We also know the total profit. Okay, they are going to get for the project. Now split profit on basis of ratio given. आपको रेशियो दिया रहेगा एग्जाम में, वो बेसिस पे प्रॉफिट स्प्लिट कर लो. तो हमको किसका प्रॉफिट मिलेगा, इंडिया लिमिटेड का प्रॉफिट मिल जाएगा. और इंडिया लिमिटेड का कॉस्ट आपको क्वेश्चन में दिया है, प्रॉफिट दिया है, आइडियल एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट और कॉस्ट दिया है. तो आर्म्स लेंथ प्राइस टू बी चार्ज्ड आ गया. इंडिया लिमिटेड, यू ऑल्सो टुक पार्ट इन द प्रोजेक्ट ना. आपका प्रॉफिट में शेयर है 5 रुपए. इंडिया लिमिटेड आपका कॉस्ट है 7. तो 12 रुपीज इज द प्राइस to be charged by India Limited. Yeah, but actual price charged by India Limited. India Limited में actual ने कितना प्राइस चार्ज किया, say 9 rupees. So now you have underpriced. So let the total income increase by 3 rupees. Done. You write the concept and when I work out one problem, it will be clear. Easy or not? They'll give you the total project में कौन people are participating and who are 2-3 associate enterprise, maybe I am the subsidiary of one company, they are the subsidiary of another, so on. So 3 of us are doing a project and we know the total profit. Let us split the profit on some relative contribution or percentage or ratio which they give. So my ideal profit is 5 and my cost I know 7. So I should have charged 12. Why did I charge only 9? So 3 rupees I have undercharged, मेरा profit बढ़ा दो. चलो. With this, let us solve the problems. Very easy this is. I am literally telling you. एग्जाम में आए तो छोड़ना नहीं. आपने प्रॉब्लम नंबर 16 पढ़ा ना मेरे साथ. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 16. So we have to calculate what? Computation of increase in total income. किसका बनाना है हमको? टोटल इनकम. इंडिया की कंपनी कौन सी है? BIL, बायोइन्फॉर्मेटिक्स लिमिटेड. ओके, चलो राइट. फर्स्ट दे हैव गिवन यू द डिटेल की टोटल ऑर्डर इज फॉर 2,50,000 euros. Total order for rupees. टोटल ऑर्डर फॉर रुपीज नहीं है, यूरोज हैं. 2,50,000. उसमें हाउ मेनी यूरोज ही इज गोइंग टू शेयर? विथ पीसीआई. पीसीआई का शेयर कितना है? कितने यूरोज है? ये एक्स्ट्रा कर रही हूँ मैं. 70,000. हमारा शेयर कितना है? बीआईएल का शेयर कितना है? इट्स ऑलरेडी गिवन 80,000. तो बैलेंस जो भी है वो एबीआर का शेयर होगा, उसका खुद का जो होल्डिंग कंपनी है उसका शेयर होगा. कितना होगा? 250 minus 70 minus 80, 1 lakh. Just sharing of information. Now, main problem. Okay, computation of increase and all. Cost of service by BIL. BIL लिमिटेड जो भी सर्विस दे रहा है उसका कॉस्ट कितना है? We incurred a total cost of 75,000 euros. प्रॉब्लम में दिया है. Cost of service by BIL is 75,000 euros. Now, total profit 50,000. BIL's share in profit 50,000 आपका टोटल प्रॉफिट है. उसमें BIL का शेयर है 40%. टेक अ पॉज 2 minutes. रीड एट स्क्रीन विथ मी. ये देखो टोटल प्रॉफिट. आर यू ऑल रीडिंग विथ मी? टोटल प्रॉफिट इज 50,000. उसमें तीनों का शेयर है 35, 25, 40. तो BIL का शेयर कितना है? 40. So BIL share is 40. 40% मतलब कितना आ रहा है आपका? 20,000. Yes. So what is the arm's length price to be charged by BIL? BIL's cost is 75. Share of the profit is 25. So we should have charged 95,000 euros. Actual price charged by BIL. How much we have charged actually? देखो, BIL ने कितना चार्ज किया है? ये रहा 80,000. Increase in total income. टोटल इनकम को बढ़ाओ 15,000 से यूरो से, because you have undershown your income. Ma'am, इतना सा problem? Yeah, I said it's very easy, and if it comes, it's going to be the same. चलो little fast, one more last TNMM method का भी करेंगे एक problem. Then we'll continue tomorrow. Average or transfer pricing. Tomorrow we'll do reference to valuation officer, advanced pricing agreement, rollback. इससे related questions आते हैं exam. चलो. Is this clear to all of you? Total order is, ये तो मैंने ऐसे ही किया extra, नहीं करो तो you can start from here. My cost is 75,000. My profit share is 20. I should have charged 95. I have charged 80. I have undercharged. So increase the total income. Exactly same one more problem, but now I don't want to do homework. You're already studying NR at home. So you कर लो 17th problem. NBR of Canada has received an order from leading UK hospital. This time the order is for 3 lakh euros selling price. And NBR has joined the facts with the PCI of USA and BIL of India. Percentage figures अलग-अलग हैं. Okay. So NBR paid to PCI and BIL 90,000 and 1 lakh euros. समझ में आ रहा है? NBR ने हमको पैसे कितने दिए? 1 lakh euros. And kept the balance itself. In the entire transaction, a profit of 1 lakh हुआ था. Profit भी 1 lakh हुआ था total. हमने तो 1 lakh charge किया. BIL has charged 1 lakh, but the overall profit is also 1 lakh. And our cost is 80,000. And 80 total profit can be split in this ratio 30, 30, 40. तो BIL का रेशियो कितना है? 40. तो टोटल प्रॉफिट स्प्लिट कर लो और कॉस्ट आपको दिया है arm's length price and exactly same question. So 17th problem in your notebook, very fast now. Computation of increase in total income. For whom? BIL Limited. थोड़े figures अलग हैं. This time I am not doing this selling price splitting. ABR का कितना शेयर उससे मुझे मतलब नहीं. I was just doing to analyze the transaction. Now what is the total cost? Total cost of providing service. मेरा cost कितना है? BIL का cost. Can you search the figures properly in the problem? BIL का शेयर बोलो कितना है? 80,000. Are you able to search, all of you? Put it in chat box then as fast as possible. 80,000. अब total profit कितना है? For all 1 lakh euros. BIL's share of profit. कितना परसेंटेज है BIL का? 40%. 1 lakh का 40%. 40,000 euro. $1,20,000. कॉस्ट है 80,000, हमारा शेयर है. सो आर्म्स लेंथ service price, whatever service we have given, we should have charged 1,20,000. But actual billing हमारी कितनी हुई है? 90,000 and 1 lakh. हम लोगों को 1 lakh ही मिला है. So total income to be increased because you have undershown your sales by 20,000. Last problem, I have divided the total sales just to discuss. यहाँ मैंने नहीं किया. Clear? Now let us read very quickly. Easy. Both the problems were same also, exactly same. है ना? Right. पढ़ो. ये देखो. Let us read the steps. Combine net profit, you know based on functions performed and on. Split the net profit. In the profit add the cost. This is the arm's length price. And what is the actual price? We know. TNMM method, I don't want to read. TNM का full form क्या है? Transaction Net Margin Method. Directly, this is the most popular practical method followed कि market में क्या rate है वो rate लेके. Okay? But exam में आपको सबसे ज़्यादा क्या पूछते हैं? Cup method. So TNMM problem I had skipped here. That problem I'm taking right now. 12th problem. 12th problem मैंने तब छोड़ दिया था ना. So that 12th problem I am taking now. Nice problem it is. Exactly same like cost plus and all. अब ये क्या है देखो. Transaction net margin method. Listen all of you. Cup method, I took comparable selling price. RSP, my own selling price to go reverse. Cost में I took standard margin, what I am charging from others. अगर मेरे cost में मैं उतना ही standard margin charge करूँ. Profit split the actual profit. And my cost I know. Cost plus profit, this much I should have charged. TNM method is exactly like cup method and all. But we don't have specific say. Whatever is the market में क्या average rate चल रहा है, take that and compare it with your rate and get the ideal price. So I'm going reverse this time. I'm going to work out the problem and then I'll read out the theory for TNM. Beta Inc. having its business in Singapore has advanced a loan, okay, of $1,60,000 to Beta Limited, Mumbai. Book value of the total assets of Beta Limited Mumbai is 125 lakhs. और ये लोन जो है ये सिंगापुर डॉलर्स में है. तो if they have given the loan more than total assets का 51% से ज्यादा अगर लोन दिया है तो we are like sister concerns, right or not? Beta Limited provides software backup support to Beta Incorporation, जो फॉरेन की कंपनी है. Beta Limited has spent 50,000 man hours during the year for services rendered. 50,000 man hours. And the cost for Beta Limited is 75 per man hour. इसको ना cost plus method के जैसे भी दिख रहा है. Beta Limited has built 90.75 per man hour. मतलब हमने actual price कितना charge किए हैं? Actual price charged is how much? 50,000 man hours है. और we have charged 90.75. Right? That's what we have charged actually. Gamma Limited in Mumbai, which has a similar business. कोई और है. Transaction net margin मतलब कोई और कैसे कर रहा है? Which provides software backup to Olive Inc. Malaysia. I am giving to Singapore. Someone else from Mumbai is giving services to Malaysia. And Gamma Limited's cost and operating profit are given. Direct cost, indirect cost, उनका profit percentage. मतलब उनका अगर आप profit percentage देखोगे तो आपको arm's length और सब आ जाएगा. Right? Okay. Calculate arm's length price for transaction between beta and beta inc on the above data based on gamma को कोई लेना देना नहीं है beta से, but third party कैसे transaction कर रहा है based on that, and one Singapore dollar is 45 rupees. Explain if there is any adjustment to be made to the total income of beta limited, and Singapore dollars आपको दिया होगा ना मन SD सिंगापुर डॉलर्स, लेकिन $1 या ये रहा 1 सिंगापुर डॉलर इज 45 rupees. ठीक है. So with this we will do the last one. Until now never asked TNMM method. That doesn't mean they will not ask. They can ask. Fifth method we are doing reverse. हर बार हम concept लिखते हैं. Fifth method. Transaction net margin method. Chalo, let us do for this problem number 12. Computation of arm's length price और उसके लिए arm's length profit भी. What is for others Gamma Limited के लिए. Gamma Limited total cost. Gamma Limited का total cost कितना है देखो. Direct cost है, indirect cost है. 600. Indirect cost है 200. Total cost 800. Profit कितना चार्ज कर रहे हैं. Operating profit 200. So can I say profit is 25% on cost. इसका 25%, 1/4. 800 का 25%. और अगर आप सेलिंग प्राइस देखें 1000 तो इसका 20%. बोलो. 25% on cost, 20% on sales. Now what is our cost? Do we know? Do we know what is our margin? And ये तो Gamma Limited की स्टोरी होगी. अब हमारी स्टोरी ले लो, Beta Limited. Beta Limited. हमारा कॉस्ट कितना है. कॉस्ट कितना है हमारा. 75 per man hour in Singapore dollars. और बिलिंग, सेलिंग प्राइस या बिलिंग जिसको बोलते हैं, वो कितना है हमारा 90.75 per man hour. So what is the profit? 15.75. Profit percentage is 15.75 by 90.75 into 100. कितना परसेंटेज आ रहा है? 15.75 डिवाइड बाय सेलिंग प्राइस पे देखो, अराउंड 17.35 और 36% ऑन सेल, जबकि 20% है. एंड व्हाट इज द प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज ऑन कॉस्ट? कॉस्ट पे भी देख लो ना, 15.75 प्रॉफिट है, 75 कॉस्ट पे. ऐसा लग रहा है आपको कि हम इनकम टैक्स की जगह कॉस्टिंग के क्लास में चले गए हैं? तो नो प्रॉब्लम, 21%. यस, ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट मार्जिन कॉस्ट पे उनका 25 है, हमारा 20. ऑन सेल्स देयर उनका 20, हमारा 17. So are we undercharging our profits compared with the transactions in the market? Are we market में ज्यादा चार्ज हो रहा है? इसका मतलब हमको भी हमारा प्रॉफिट मार्जिन रिवाइज करके बढ़ाना होगा फिर. राइट. इसका कंक्लूजन लिखो. मैम ऐसे ही एग्जाम में करना पड़ेगा, बिल्कुल. एक ही प्रॉब्लम मिला है TNM मेथड से, आपके मटेरियल में एक ही है प्रॉब्लम, but other problems in your study material are good and I have not picked up all that. They are already solved, whether you are doing CMA study material or CA, and they are very nice. I'll send 1 or 2 pictures also today. अच्छे प्रॉब्लम है, करो. And if you're stuck up, just send me the picture. Conclusion. Since our percentage profit are low than lower than other transactions in market, primary adjustment मतलब वही increase in income, primary adjustment to increase income must be done. बढ़ाना ही पड़ेगा. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. चलो. So now what is my idle cost? Total cost for Beta Limited. मेरा कॉस्ट तो फिक्स है. कॉस्ट को आई कैन नॉट डू, वट एवर आई कैन डू इज विथ माई सेलिंग प्राइस. माई कॉस्ट इज फिक्स्ड. हाउ मच इज माई कॉस्ट? कितना है मेरा कॉस्ट? दिया था ना, 75. $75 per man hour. Now स्टैंडर्ड प्रॉफिट. बाकी लोग कितना प्रॉफिट ले रहे हैं, मैं भी उतना ही प्रॉफिट चार्ज करूंगी. व्हाई आई शुड चार्ज लेस? Others are charging on cost. How much profit are you all getting? 25% on cost. Look at the screen. 800 अगर कॉस्ट था गैमा का, तो 200 प्रॉफिट था. तो मैं भी ऐसे ही करूंगी. I will also charge profit 25% on cost. Can we calculate 75 का 25% कितना हो रहा है? 18.75. 18.75. Then what is my arm's length price or billing amount? How much I should have charged from my foreign concern? 18.75 plus this. That is 93.75. But actual billing, हमने तो बिलिंग कितने से की है? 90.75. Increase in billing. बढ़ा दो अपना प्राइस. 90.75. $3 per piece और per hour. 3 per man hour और वो भी सिंगापुर डॉलर्स. टोटल इनकम टू बी इंक्रीज्ड. कितने से इंक्रीज करोगे आप टोटल इनकम? देखो देखो देखो, टोटल इनकम कितने आवर्स का काम किया हमने? 50,000 मैन आवर्स इंटू 3 और पर सिंगापुर डॉलर का रेट दिया है 45. हो गया. 50,000 इंटू 3 इंटू 45. 67,50,000 से हम भी प्रॉफिट बढ़ा दें. मैम, दिस वाज एग्जैक्टली लाइक कॉस्ट प्लस मेथड. Frankly, can I call it cost plus method? It is. It is cost plus method. My cost is 75. Others are charging 25% on cost. I will also charge. But I did billing 19.75. Increase in. यही चीज cost plus method में. Take a pause. TNM method क्यों बोलते हैं? कि others का margin कितना है? 18.75. Others. बीटा लिमिटेड का मार्जिन कितना है? था ना? 1 सेकेंड ना. अदर्स का मार्जिन 18.75 है. हमारा मार्जिन कितना था? 15.75. मिला आपको यहाँ पे? 15.75. सो 3 रुपीज पर आवर इंक्रीज होगा. एग्जैक्टली सेम. यू कॉल इट कॉस्ट प्लस मेथड. पूछा तो भी एग्जाम में सेम सॉल्व करना. ट्रांजैक्शन नेट मार्जिन मतलब हाउ मच प्रॉफिट अदर्स आर चार्जिंग. आई ऑल्सो वांट टू चार्ज द सेम प्रॉफिट ऑन माय कॉस्ट. If others are charging 18.75, I will also charge 18.75 instead of 15.35 and my income will increase by 3. Can you answer, all of you? All the 5 methods are clear. Cup method के लिए भी standard एक concept बना लो ऐसे. To others, what selling price you are charging, but this is like CIF और हमारे लिए फ्री ऑन बोर्ड है. तो जो CIF उनको ऐड किया है माइनस कर दो. उनको वारंटी है, हमको नहीं है, तो माइनस कर दो. हमको डिस्काउंट है, उनको नहीं है, तो इन देयर प्राइस गिव द डिस्काउंट. Credit period they are not having, we are having, add it. So like this, do all the plus and minus, you will get the answer. That's all for all the 5 methods which we have completed. Tomorrow we will talk that if you are getting correct answer by 1 or 2 more methods, then shall we take best method or shall we take average, or what we shall do. And sometimes if we are confused ki which one is appropriate, shall I go for TNMM, shall I go for RSP, kya karu? So in that case you have a person called as transfer pricing officer. What is the procedure and all we will see tomorrow. Any doubt in today's class? Did you all write everything? I hope I was not scrolling the screen fast. आप लोग मेरे साथ लिख पा रहे थे? पूरे notebook complete है या नहीं? The first aspect of doing the self study after the coaching is over is your notebook should be complete, right? So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Beneficiary and all the doubts I remember. Just I'll put a voice note in the group. You all check it. That can be asked in return of income. Who is beneficiary? Who is beneficiary owner? Just I'll put a note now. Okay. Bye all of you.